So good morning, guys. It's currently 8 in the morning, and right now I just made my nice little morning coffee, little pistachio latte. If you guys don't know, that's my favorite recipe right now. I've been making that nonstop. I love pistachios, but I'm just gonna hop on the charts right now. We're gonna look for a little scalp trade. I've been marking up some key levels on the USD JPY. I'm gonna look for a little scalp, little long trade on the USD JPY, and we'll see what the market holds for us today. Let's see how much money we can make today. You know I gotta be dripped out though, because dressing nice is also feeling nice. And you know trading is all about that psychology. So we gotta feel right, we gotta be dripped, and then we can start dripping in cash. So what's up, guys? It's currently 8:56 a.m. right now. And right now, I'm currently looking for a long trade on the USD JPY. As you can see, first of all, if we go to forexfactory.com, there's no high impact news today, so I'll be looking to take a trade today. There's nothing gonna affect my trade like tomorrow when we have Powell talking. I'm definitely not gonna be trading. I'm probably gonna be sitting on my hands and not taking the trade tomorrow with the way Powell is going to be talking tomorrow. It's probably going to drive the markets crazy. So right now, I'm currently looking for a USD JPY scalp trade for the long side. So first, I'm going to come to the 1 hour time frame. So I'm going to mark up my key levels. Right here, you can see I have some key levels already marked up from the daily time frame. As you can see over here, overall on the daily, we are bullish. If we go to the 4 hour, we are also bullish. And if we go to the 1 hour, we are also bullish. So there's no reason I should be looking for a short trade here. So what I'm going to do is just mark up some key levels to look for and wait for confirmation to enter my trade to the long side. So if we go to the 1 hour, you can see we have a higher high formed over here, a higher low formed over here, another higher high formed over here, and it looks like we might be forming the next higher low over here. So that's what I'm looking to get into on this next trade. So right here, we're forming a higher low. I'm just basically waiting for confirmation to enter this trade. So if we go to the 15-minute, let's look at that. The volume isn't really telling me to hop into this trade right now. So I'm currently gonna keep waiting a couple more minutes, see how volume comes in. When the stock market opens, we should get some more volatility in here. But what I really want to look for, if we come to the 3-minute time frame, I want to look for us to come back down to these levels, and I want my golden cross to cross, and I want my RSI to be above the 50 levels. So I'm currently just gonna wait, and I'll come back to you guys when this happens. So 2 minutes have passed and not much has happened, but let me show you exactly what I'm looking for. So let's remove this real quick. I don't want price, well, if price comes to this level right here, let's say it breaks down, it hits this level and it breaks down, I'm gonna patiently wait for the next level to get hit, which would be somewhere around here. I'm not just gonna enter in as soon as price hits this level, because it could do a little sharp fall down and we could lose money real quick. And remember, I'm looking for a long trade because I'm a pro trend trader and I trade with the market direction. This makes trading way easier. Trading with the trend is your friend. So if price breaks below this level, I'm going to wait patiently for the next level to get hit. But if price reacts differently, it bounces off this level and it breaks structure right here, then I'm going to be entering this trade to the long side. As you can see, if we break structure right here, this will be bullish confirmation on a trade, because as you can see, we used this previous level as resistance, then we ended up breaking out of here with volume. This right here, you can tell, is a very key level. So I'm just gonna keep on waiting, and I'll come back to you guys once this happens. So price is currently approaching our first level. Just gonna sit back here and wait and see what happens. Remember, guys, Trading is 90% psychology and patience. You can't rush things. You have to wait for your setup in order to win in this game, because imagine if you're forcing trades, you're not going to win. You're not going to look at clear signs, clear confirmations. You're going to be hopping into trades based off of other things. And these other things are emotional reasons. And trading with emotions is something you don't want to do. But let's see how price is reacting. It looks like we're holding this as a support for now, but we had to wait for the next candle close, obviously, to confirm this. But right now, I'm just keeping my eyes close on the charts, seeing what's going to happen. Just waiting for price to hit my setup, hit my level, and give me that other sign of confirmation, that break of structure, so I could enter in on this long trade. All right, guys, so if price follows exactly what I wanted to do, if it breaks this level right here, I'm going to be entering in right here. And this is going to be my take profit. I'm going to look for these levels here. And I'll have a tight stop loss around right here. So I want this break of structure on the 3-minute time frame to continue up to these highs for my first take profit. My second take profit will be at this level. So that's currently what I'm looking for. So let's just wait and see if price breaks structure. It looks like it might happen. So let's just wait and see. Okay, guys, so this is exactly why you wait for confirmation. As you can see, if I would have entered in as soon as it hit that line of support, I would have been down already right now. This is exactly why you have to wait for signs of confirmation. So look, it's breaking down abruptly. So now I'm going to wait for it to hit my next key level. So I'm going to look for it to hit this level right here. I'm going to mark it out right now. This little imaginary line you see right here, this dotted line. And if it doesn't respect that level, I'm going to look for it around these levels. But let me mark this out real quick. All right. Put this from here to here. And now we're just going to keep on patiently waiting. As you can see, it could still probably go up, but I think it's going to come down to this level. And then we're probably going to bounce up, and then we'll have to see what trade we make from there. So I'm going to have to move this around and see. But I still think we are bullish. As you can see, the bulls are fighting the bears right now. We're just going to patiently see and look at what price holds for us. Remember, guys, just because it formed a new low, this doesn't mean that this is bearish, though. If you look from all the way over here, this low is still a higher low compared to this low over here. So this could just be the new higher low being formed. All right, guys, so we're finally getting some bullish momentum kicking in. Let's see, 9:30 is about to hit. It's currently 9:23 a.m. So the stock market is about to open in a bit. And I'm going to wait for the next break of structure. It looks like it might be following my plan. So I'm going to keep you updated. Once that break of structure hits, I'm going to show you guys me entering the trade right there live, right there in this freaking video. So our volume is starting to kick into the upside right now. It looks like we're about to break structure soon. So I'm looking at this level right here currently because we formed our new higher low. It's starting to look like this might be a new higher low. But I'm waiting for that confirmation before I enter. Because remember, waiting for that confluence, that other sign of confirmation, ups your win rate percentage. It makes you more confident in your trade, and it gives you a better percentage in the long run. So right now, I'm just waiting for this break of structure over here at these levels. So let's just keep on waiting. We have 4 more minutes until the stock market opens. The volume looks to be picking up to our bias. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, we have 3 more minutes. We have volume still picking up, and I just got another sign of confirmation. My SAR telling me that we're turning bullish. So this is just an indicator. It's not going to be the main reason I enter a trade because indicators are lagging, but it's just there as another confluence, another sign of confirmation to my trade. So yeah, I'm just going to patiently wait. 2 more minutes until market opens, and then we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so the stock market has officially opened. It's 9:30 a.m. As you can see, the stock market volume is not going to our side. This is exactly why you wait for signs of confirmation. This is why I waited for that break of structure, because if I would have entered in right there, I would have been burnt out. I probably would have been so close to stop loss already, and that would have been bad. So we're waiting for that break of structure. As you can see, price is still reacting and might still go to the upside. But if it doesn't hold this level right here, it's going to continue to the downside and then hit my next level. So we'll see if we can even get a trade today. All right, guys, so this is a very good sign of bullish momentum. Look at how price reacted. It hit this SAR right here and instantly bounced right back up with a strong bullish candle. This candle right here is very bullish. As you can see how it wicked here and instantly shot back up. So let's wait. It looks like we might get that break of structure. So it's creeping up, it's getting close. Momentum still hasn't fallen to the bearish side. So we still have a chance to enter in a trade right here. So let's just keep on waiting. Let's see if we get that sign of confirmation, that break of structure, so we can enter in on this trade. So actually, as I forgot to mention, the candlestick did not close bullish like that. So we can't call it a bullish candle yet. So if it didn't close, it's not a bullish candle. As you can see, it finished closing like this. So now we're still on the same boat. Volume is not looking too great for the bullish side. It might look like we might not be able to take a trade today, but we'll just wait a couple more minutes. Let's see how volume acts out. Let's see if it presents me a trading opportunity. If it doesn't, oh well. I already made money last week. I'm just going to sit on my cash, sit on my hands, not take any trades, sit on my ass and just hit the gym, probably watch some movies, some shows, just go on with my day. Because guys, not losing money, not taking a trade is still trading. You're not losing money. You're basically keeping money and saving yourself from risking a whole bunch of money and doing stupid decisions. So sometimes not taking a trade is, well, not sometimes, a lot of times not taking a trade is better than trading. This is why I put in my motto, not taking a trade is still trading. So as you can see right here, oh, we're getting some bullish momentum. Let's wait for the candlestick to close. We're still struggling to break that structure over here. We're struggling to break 3-minute structure and 1-minute structure. So I'm still not looking to enter in on this trade. Okay guys, so another reason why we wait for confirmation. Look, we broke the previous low, and now we're gonna keep on going down until we find another area of support. So now we're coming back to my next key level. We're gonna see if this holds. If this doesn't hold, then it's coming back down to these levels. It honestly looks like I'm not gonna be able to take a trade today. What I think is gonna happen is price is gonna break down with volume on these levels, because we already have that stock market opening volume coming in, and it's coming into the downside. So it's probably gonna keep driving price down until we reach these levels right here. Around these levels will be a nice swing trade probably. But right now I'm looking for a scalp trade. But we have no signs of confirmation yet. We just got our SAR telling us it's going to the downside now. So it looks like I'm just gonna sit on my hands and not take a trade today. What would have to happen right now in order for me to take a trade, I would need price to bounce off of these levels with some nice volume and come back up to this level and break this structure right here. That will give me confirmation that price will continue up, and then even more confirmation that it could reach these levels all the way up here. So we'll wait and see what happens. But if that doesn't happen, if it keeps on going to the downside, breaks this level, doesn't hold this support, then I'm just gonna sit on my hands, not take a trade, and be patient. Remember guys, 99% of traders fail because they don't have their psychology intact. That's the name of the game of trading. It's basically all psychology. You can freaking make any strategy work, but if you don't have your psychology right, you're not going to win. You could take trades. Look, imagine if you would have entered in, you would have had my strategy, but your psychology wasn't right. You would have already lost on this trade. You would have entered in at these levels because you didn't wait for signs of confirmation. But meanwhile, I could end up winning or not losing at all because I waited. I waited for my A plus setup. I waited for price to hit my levels. I waited for signs of confirmation. So that way, I'm not entering in trades blindly and I'm not basically donating my money to the markets. But let's see what happens here. So we're opening up next candle green, but we still don't have enough volume. My golden cross is not approaching, well, my red EMA is not approaching my yellow EMA, so we're not getting that golden cross. It doesn't look like it's going to form. As you can see, we had a golden cross here and a break of structure as well, and then look what happened. We mooned. But it looks like this is not happening right now. As you can see, we have another sign of this happening over here. We have golden cross, break of structure, and then moon. But this is currently not happening right now. So I'm just being patient, seeing what's gonna happen in the next 30 minutes or so. And if nothing happens, then I'm just gonna go back into bed probably. Well, actually, no. I'm gonna start my day, hit the gym because I need to get back on that grind again. I'm getting a little chunky again. If you guys don't know, like last year I got back into my prime. I was in shape, had my abs showing again, and I'm trying to get like that again because I look at pictures of how I was a year ago. Sheesh, I was in shape. So I need to get like that again. Need to start with my boxing and all of that again because, you know, just working out in general, it makes you feel good and it translates to your trading. If you have a healthy mind, remember I told you trading is 90% psychology. If you have a healthy mind, you're going to be a good trader. So let's just wait and see what happens. Okay, so while we're waiting here for price to do something, shit's moving like a fucking turtle. I want to ask you guys, do you guys play Marvel Rivals? Have you guys play any games at all? I've been lately getting into Marvel Rivals. It's pretty freaking fun. Like, if you guys don't know, I'm a giant Marvel fan. If you can't see, I have freaking a million Funko Pops in my room. I have more over here in my PC, on top of my PC. But are you guys into that game? Because if I'm being honest, that's like one of the top games I've been playing in the past few years. And I've been pretty addicted to it. When I hop off the charts, I'm on that Marvel Rivals. You know, sometimes as traders, we need that mental clarity. We need to relieve ourselves. If that's taking a smoke break, if that's hitting the gym, if that's playing a video game, then go and do it. But let me know down in the comments. You guys fuck with Marvel Rivals? How is it? You guys, who's your main if you do play it? If you main Cloak and don't know how to heal though, get the fuck off my video. So it's currently 9:51 a.m. Still, oh, just turned to 9:52 a.m. But still, not enough volume. We're not going to the upside. The volume is all coming to the downside. So I'm going to sit on my hands. I'm not going to take a trade today. I'm going to hit the gym, get my fat ass back in shape because I'm turning into a fat fucking lard. And we're just going to hit them weights, eat good, freaking play some Marvel Rivals today. I better not see a shitty Cloak in one of my games today. And yeah, let's review the trade real quick. Like, I couldn't enter the trade. First of all, we were trying to enter in over here. Price did not respect our levels. As you can see, we waited for a break of structure. We waited for confirmation to enter to the long side. We didn't get that break of structure over here. So we waited for price to hit our next level and see how it reacted. It didn't hold our next level and it broke down. It tried to come back up and save the day, but we still didn't get that break of structure over here. So we still didn't enter. And as you can see, rightfully, we didn't enter because price kept on going down. It came back to our next level. It held it for a little bit, but now it's currently breaking down this level. We thought we might have had a chance to enter over here, but we still waited for our break of structure. We had to wait for confirmation. This would have been the next break of structure here to give me confirmation to enter in on the next trade. But I didn't get that sign of confirmation. We reached over here. My indicators were not also giving me signs of confirmation. So we're going to sit on our hands, and we didn't enter the trade. If I would have entered the trade, it would have been with 100 lots. And let's say I would have entered in at that first point without any signs of confirmation. I would be down $25,000 right now. This is exactly why you need to be patient. You need to learn about risk management, learn how to add confluences to your trade to up your win rate. And that's how you become a profitable trader. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope this can make you a Giga Chad trader. And yeah, hopefully you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. So I'm gonna start off with a little bag work, get my blood flowing, get some cardio in before I hit the weights. But this right here is for all you cloaks that stay on cloak and don't fucking heal, and for all you Jeffs who stay swallowing the same fucking gender. This is what I have to say to you guys. Fuck you, Jeff. And you, cloak, how about you heal better? Make sure to like and subscribe. And remember, if you're a cloak main who doesn't fucking heal, get off this planet.